Hi, Lewis here from Jetwave Group. Introducing here one of our new builds that we've done. This is the Executive Silent. This is a part of the extended category, 250 bar, 3600 PSI at 60 litres a minute. This particular unit on the Executive Silent Plus runs the Kohler KDI 2504 TM. Turbo mechanical engine. It is a 83.1 horsepower motor at 62 kilowatt, and that's running the direct drive mechanism to the pump via a soft coupling. And it's running at 250 bar, 3600 PSI at 60 litres a minute. It has a dual burner system to be able to handle and heat that much water. So it does a preheat and a heat function. It still incorporates the standard features that the Executive Silent range does, such as our IntelliUMS, so our digital engine parameter readout for unit protection. It's got our thermostatic control, okay, burner on-off switch, battery isolator, emergency stop, okay, pressure gauge, everything panel mounted. It is still in our Executive Silent cabinet platform, so it's running at a lower decibel rating, 75 decibels. It runs the biggest Series 8 Jetwave pump, okay, so it's about a 30 kilogram pump, okay, triplex plunger. It's in our skid-based platform. This one here was built onto a truck, okay, with a 5,000 litre water tank capacity here. So this will give us a good run time. It has dual operator function, so it can be operated off of one hose reel, and that hose reel is a 1/2 inch larger hose reel to be able to be capable of handling that size of flow, okay, and ensuring the flow is delivered to the nozzle. It also breaks off into a dual operator platform where it will provide 3600 PSI, 250 bar, 30 litres a minute per gun. So one of the hose reels we can see under here with the hose reel guide, okay, and the TST safety sock protection. These are fitted here with 100 metres of hose, okay, so we've mounted this underneath. It also has a 12 volt rewind kit fitted to it, okay, all 1/2 inch to ensure flow. The 12 volt variable speed rewind here, and the button switch, okay. We can follow this down. We have our other dual operator hose reel 2, okay, again fitted with 100 metres with Apache A-frame reel with the guide system, and then the 12 volt rewind. If we come around to the rear of the unit, we'll see the 1/2 inch 100 metre hose reel, okay, and again this is for single operation, again fitted with the 12 volt rewind variable speed. We've got the Apache A-frame JWA 150 fitted with 40 metres of 3/4 inch low pressure inlet hose, and this is plumbed on a feed to the water tank with a ball float for automatic shut-off. Okay, you can come around here to the rear of the unit. 5,000 litre tank, as I said, large 1.25 inch inlet line. Here we still have our low level water cutout parameters for unit protection, run dry protection, okay, a bypass, so the unit recirculates back to the tank, all in our Executive Silent platform in the soundproof cabinet. So I'm just going to demonstrate starting the unit now and the standard process, okay. So we're going to flick our battery isolator in the on position, okay. We're going to then flick our ignition switch on, okay. It will give us any unit warnings that it has and acknowledge any faults, okay. So it's giving us a warning fuel level, but that's okay. We're then going to press the green button for start. It's in a ready state, okay. We do its pre-start function. Start the engine, okay. And then I'm going to activate hot water. So I burner switch on, thermostat on, okay. The dual ball valve operation, so it says it here, how it works. We're going to activate dual operation mode. Let's pressurize the line. So each gun is operating at 3600 PSI, 250 bar at 30 litres a minute with an 08 nozzle. And this has our quick change J55K system on it that we can then change from floor cleaner to lance. Now I'll demonstrate single operation mode, 60 litres a minute at 250 bar, 3600 PSI on a large 60-inch floor cleaner. So I'll simply turn the single operation mode off and activate the single operation. So it also has a function for front sweeping operation, where we can push debris where we would like to point it. So I'm just going to turn the unit off now with the standard process. So we're going to turn the burner switch off. We're going to turn the thermostat dial down to 0. Okay, we're then going to hit the red button for stop. Okay, and it will go down its cooling function and it will time itself down. If we wanted to stop the engine more suddenly, we can use the emergency stop, or we can just press this red one again. So you can see here, guys, as a really bespoke build, the power that this thing's going to be able to get out on site, with 60 litres per minute, harnessing that flow, but still having the effectiveness of hot water at 250 bar, 3600 PSI, allowing to run larger accessories and clean down substrates more effectively and more quickly. Thanks for joining us.